How to deposit money in Binance. Now in order to do that, you just simply need to open your Binance application at very first, and after opening Binance, you will get to see this assets option directly into this home screen. Simply tap to this asset option, and after going in here, you will get this button to add funds. Just simply tap to add funds, and after that you will get this option of deposit USD and on-chain deposit. Just simply select any of the option. I'm selecting deposit USD, and after this you will get options to deposit money in Binance. First one is card, which is Visa and MasterCard, and the other one is bank transfer, and the third one is Google Pay. Depending on the region that you belong to, there might be other options that you can see here. Just simply select the option which you would like to use in order to deposit the money in Binance. Just simply select the option, and after that you can select the amount and deposit that amount in Binance if you have that in any of your card, bank and Google Pay. Just simply do that and you will be able to deposit money in Binance. I hope you understand all the process. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.